Hello and welcome to a quick tutorial with your instructional technology specialist, Leslie Johnson. So today we're going to look at the Google Meet breakout rooms. So in our new enterprise features, we see that we have these shapes up here, and that's how we access activities. When you click on activities, you see there are breakout rooms, polls, and Q&A. Today we're just going to focus on breakout rooms. So when I click breakout rooms, Google Meet launches the number of rooms that it thinks is appropriate for the number of students I have. So in this call, there are 6 students. It's suggesting that I have 2 breakout rooms with 3 students in each room. If I don't want that, I can increase the size of the rooms, and then I can move students as needed. So if I need student 1 here and GMS faculty up here, you can just drag and drop as needed. Once you have your rooms ready, you can go ahead and select that open rooms, and then it's going to say that breakout rooms are in session. Now you as the teacher have the ability to join any of these rooms. As the student, and I have those accounts over here, they get this pop-up message saying, join a breakout room. So they have to click on that join in order to be sent to the breakout room. So same thing here, clicking join, join, and join. So as the teacher, I'm going to see that all of these students are leaving. Now these 2 accounts are on devices that aren't right next to me, so they aren't in their breakout room. Let's click join, and we are taken from this main room into breakout room 1. So we don't know what's happening in the main room. We don't know what's happening in breakout room 2 or 3. We know what's happening in breakout 1 with the 2 students who have joined here. So here you can interact with these particular students as needed. And of course, it still has my breakout room functions over here on the right side of the screen. When you are ready to leave, you can click that leave button, but that will send you back to the main call. So I'm going to go ahead and check out breakout 3 by clicking join. And that's going to send me from breakout 1 to breakout 3. So once you are done visiting all of your breakout rooms, you can click leave, and that will take you back to the main call, or you can click this close rooms button, which asks close all breakout rooms now. Everyone will be asked to return to the main call now. So you click the close all rooms now, and then you have to return to the main call. And that same message is going to be given to your students. So they have to click on that return to main call in order to be sent back to the main call. Now you can see on the right side of the screen that those breakout rooms are still available. So I can use them as many times as I want or need to throughout the class. And if I don't need them anymore, I can go ahead and just, X out on that breakout room, and then I can work with my students in the main call. If I change my mind, I can click on that activities again and set up those breakout rooms one more time. So that is the basics of Google Meet breakout rooms. If you have any other questions or video suggestions, please let me know, and thanks for watching.